कैसे बताए क्यों तुझको चाहे यारा पता ना पाए.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waa islaam Soomaali weyn meel baad ku joogtiin. Waa anigu Ozi taxaka daawanaysiin waa Ozi official isku soo noqosh wanaagsan maanta iyo another video. Saxbaan ku soo raadin waxa waye maanta maasha Allah waxaa rabaa inaan soo sameeyo vlog. Magaalka rabaa inaan aado soo ujeedin magaalka waa taas xagga iga jirta. Soo marka kaligeyga ahay qof ila soo malay kaamirada soo qaatay maanta waxaa saddex magaalo ku soo wareeg maanta meelaha soo markaa arkal iyo laab soo raaxaysa magaalka. soo markaas daraadada u soo baxay waa labisna oo jeedimo abu ka wamado gaduud cadaan abu jenis waxa waa qawba jirno rooba ooyo saa daraadada u soo qaatay marka guys let's go. Tano,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
Why you look so cute today?
I haven't taken my mask yet.
Say to hi my people and welcome to my channel. Today is your first day and yeah, so what you gonna see my people and my fans?
What we call Somalian people? You have any secret words to call us Somalian?
Yeah, one
Somalias.
yeah, one
One
idin
Idin.
jeclahay.
One Idin Jalai.
Yeah, it's like
One
I
Idin
love
Jalai.
you guys.
Oh.
Yeah, welcome to my channel today and so yeah, go ahead.
Welcome to Ozi official channel. Odi Zing Ajayo.
Yeah.
Okay. So welcome to Ozi channel and I'm Shanu. So I'm from Malaysia.
Wow.
And I'm now staying in a KL and currently my hometown was in a village which is in Kedah, so you should not know my place. Otherwise you know my real personality. So it's okay to just know my personality.
Yo.
Yo yo.
Yo, so maanta waxaan rabnaa inaan sameyno like video adiga aan baashaal ah iyada la sameynayo iyada ay la socoto gabadhaana maanta aan rabnaa inaan video wada sameyno waan soo baxnay meelaa imaaday so videogan wuxuu ku saabsan yahay ay tahay gabadhaan mar walba iga codsatay inay youtube-kayga soo gasho ay kasoo muuqato so now the right time she going to you are a YouTuber?
Maybe.
You're a YouTuber?
Maybe.
Oh, she have
But I'm
also.
definitely a hot girl. I'm not a YouTuber, but I'm definitely a hot girl.
She's YouTuber also. She going to join my YouTube channel. So she have also a YouTube channel soon.
Soon.
Yeah. So. So guys, hadda waan soo baxnay meel fadhiisano waxay aansano. So this is the lady of the legend in Malaysia. She's a funny person and she's really, talented person. So just talking to my people, maybe later they will give you to how you edit everything. So just try to talk
Okay.
something.
How I'm handling everything since I meet Ozzy, I cannot handle myself either.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm handling because I'm confident.
Mhm.
And one more thing, there's no need to be stressed or no need to be. In my life, I'm happy, and I
Okay.
want everyone happy.
All right.
And you watching me should be happy, but don't get wet.
Okay.
So basically, I'm a very open-minded and social person. So I would love to have a lot of friends and also crush and also.
Who's your crush? Who's your crush? How's your crush? Are you kidding
Can't
me?
you see in my eyes who's my crush?
No, I cannot see.
No,
I'm looking the camera.
Okay, now I'm looking here also. Yes,
Not me. Don't lie.
my crush.
Yeah.
See, my crush is
What?
actually I don't have a crush.
Mm-hmm.
I have a one night stand a lot.
Really?
Not really. Actually, I have a crush.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, of course. My biggest crush is my family, like my father, my brothers, and yes, I have what we call childhood love. I do have on sincere love, and no more already because it's really sweet. I'm happy now.
Yeah.
And another crush is of course myself. I love myself, and now there's only my crush is myself.
Good.
Nothing else.
That's good.
And other than myself, of course, you guys.
Oh, they are.
Yeah.
Wow,
Why
that's
not?
so nice. So,
Am I not good for your crush? I guess you're good for my crush,
yeah, sure. So, video game maanta inta soo saabsan yahay and I think wax badan uu talagalay in ay idin baro. So, maro waxay jeceshahay inay garab
I'm
siiso.
taking a class, Sinalin class tomorrow.
She's the one always helping me to make some nice videos, some nice ideas. So she also want to support me. Thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
And yeah, today the video is last this one. So I can't
What do we tell?
say one
One
ku
ku
chalai.
chalai.
Guys.
One ku chalai, guys.
Yeah.
One ku chalai, guys.
Yeah, so marka guys video inta kusoo gogweynaa insha Allah video xiga taa wada kulmayna aniga idinka waxaan kaaga tagaynaa sidaan iyo nabad geliyo